time, there's an opportunity once you also want to become an affiliate. Ano ba yung affiliate? Yung nga sinasabi ko kanina. So by sharing your link, you get commissions. Ito na maganda dito. So sa affiliate naman, you just need to add $29 para maging commissionable yung account mo. Which means every time you refer someone and then they get signed up with $149, you get $50 fast start bonus. So imagine guys, no, kung nakatatlo ka, bawi mo na yung puhunan mo. You get $149, $150, sorry. $50 times 3, you get $150. And then ang malupit pa nito is you get a rank advancement. So yung unang rank advancement natin, which is apprentice. So if you get 3, you multiply it 50 times 3, no? 150 plus you get $25 per week na residual. So may 175 ka na. So imagine mo in a 1 month meron ka ng ito yung auto ship mo na, o di ba? And then influencer 500, which is I hit this in just 2 weeks, span of 2 weeks in economy. So kailangan mo lang dito 10 sa left, 10 sa right. So total of 20. So we just need to have personal sponsor of 3. Okay, pwedeng galing yan sa apprentice run mo. And then if you hit that rank, okay, meron lang tayong dalawang team, left and right. Yan ang tatandaan mo, okay? Makasampu ka sa left, 10 sa right. You get 125 per week na residual income or $500 in 1 month. So influencer 900 naman, ganun din. 20 sa left, 20 sa right, a total of 40. You get 225 per week. And ako, in just 3 months, I just hit this rank of Prodigy 3K. So meaning I get 750 USD per week, so $3,000 in 1 month, no? So syempre ako, hindi ako madamot guys, kaya ako talaga sinishare to because I want to help a lot of Filipinos na alam ko yung, alam mo yun, yung talagang sweldo natin dito sa Philippines, napakababa, around estimate lang 400 to 600. So imagine if you have the opportunity that you can use your phone, that you can earn extra $500 in 1 month, $900 in 1 month. Ito lalo na kung nag-high 900 ka, baka full-time ka na niyan. Okay? In the influencer 900. So ako ay last October, I quit my job, okay? And then started to do full-time. Pero Prodigy 3K na ako. Pero dito sa 900, parang gusto ko na talaga mag-resign nun. Because sobra-sobra na siya. Plus may trading pa ako. Okay, may profits pa ako sa trading. So, grabe talaga yung opportunity na meron tayo. Amazing. And, syempre, hindi na dyan nagtatapos, no? So, marami ding mga, dito yung goal ko talaga, Icon 9, no? So, sa first quarter of the year, yun yung mahit ko talaga, guys. And imagine, marami pong nakakahit niyan sa ibang bansa. No? So, Philippines is just a fresh market. Palaki pa to ng palaki. And I have a vision. If you're gonna start ngayon, no? Isa sa mga magiging foundation nito, friend. Huwag ka na magpaiwan, no? Kasi sasabog talaga to sa Philippines. Knowing, na lalo na pag-try mo yung product and then you see it for yourself. Nako, kaya nga, grabe yung naging growth